Bismillah Rahman Rahim. My name is Sarosh and I'm a foundation level student at Rahat School F at campus Islamabad, and today I am sharing a movie review topic what I learned from watching To Serve with Love. I hope you all are doing well. Today I am excited to share my review of the classic movie To Serve with Love and the valuable life lesson I learned from it. The inspiring film stars Sidney Poitier as Mark Thackeray, an engineer who unexpectedly become a teacher in a challenging secondary school. At first, his students are disrespectful, unmotivated, and difficult to manage. But instead of giving up, he changes his teaching style and begins treating his students as young adults with dignity and respect. Over time, he earns their trust and completely transforms the classroom. The biggest lesson I learned from this movie is the respect is earned through kindness, patience, and understanding. Mr. Thackeray did not use fear of punishment to control his students. Instead of listening of them, believed in their potential and treated with them fairness. This reminded me that strong relationships are built on mutual respect, whether in school, at work, or in everyday life. And another important lesson is the power of education. The movie shows that education is not only about passing exams or memorizing facts. It is also about learning life skills such as responsibility, community, honesty, and self confidence. A great teacher helps students become better people, not just better learners. I also learned the importance of patience and perseverance. In the beginning, Mr. Thackeray faced constant challenge. Many students ignored him, made fun of him, and refused to cooperate, but he remained calm and never stopped believing that they could improve. His determination teaches us that real changes takes time, and we could never give up on people too quickly. So, another powerful meaning in believing in another even when they don't believe in themselves. Many students in the film had difficult backgrounds and low self esteem, however, because their teacher encouraged them and trusted them, they slowly began to see their own value. This reminds us that sometimes one person's support can completely change another person's future. One thing I truly admired was Mr. Thakray's professionalism. Even during difficult situations, he stayed calm, respectful, and focused on helping his students succeed. His character demonstrates what true leadership looks like, leading by example rather than by authority done. Overall, I found To Serve with Love to be a touching, inspiring, and education movie. It reminded me that education changes lives, respect creates trust, and create teaches living a lasting impact for beyond the classroom. The film encourages all of us to believe in people, treat others with kindness, and never underestimate the power of empathy. Thank you so much for watching my movie review. If you enjoyed the video, please like and share and follow for your educational movie reviews and inspiring content. See you in the next video. So, viewers, this is my movie review. Hope so you like it. Meet you in the next video. Pakistan Zindabad. Khuda Hafiz.